Today I'm going to show you the best settings for Counter-Strike 2 on low-end PCs. If you want to boost your performance without sacrificing too much quality, stick around for this easy guide. First, let's briefly discuss the system requirements for Counter-Strike 2. While it's designed to run on a variety of setups, knowing your PC specs will help you adjust the settings effectively. Now, first things first, launch Counter-Strike 2 and go to the settings menu. Now select the video tab to start adjusting your graphic settings. Now adjust your graphic settings. Set your resolution to 1280 by 720. This will improve performance while still keeping the game playable. Use full screen for the best performance. On global shadow quality, set this to low. Shadows can be demanding on your GPU, so reducing this will help. On modal texture detail, set this to low or medium to improve performance without losing too much visual fidelity. And on effect detail, set this to low to reduce visual effects. Now let's move on to adjust advanced video settings. On shader detail, set it to low to help with frame rates. On anti-aliasing, disable or set to FXAA. And on ambient or occlusion, simply disable it. Set modal texture detail to medium and multi-sampling anti-aliasing mode to 2x MSAA. And that's it. You're now ready to play Counter-Strike 2 on a low-end PC with optimal settings for you.